What is it, Jonah? What is that?
Wow.
Whoa.
What is it?
Yeah, what is it? What is that? It's yellow.
What is that,
What is
Jonah? Can you rip the paper off? Tear it.
Jonah, what is it? What's in there?
Is it
Do
hiding?
you know what that is?
A little piece at a time.
What's inside of there?
What's it look like? What? Can I give you just a little tear? There. Just a little help.
What is that, Jonah?
Oh, it's got wheels. Is it what you think it is?
There you go. He doesn't like the little bits of paper. What's that?
Now you're getting bigger pieces.
What is it, Jonah?
Come on.
Buzz!
Yes, a bus.
Come on, back up. Back up. Go away.
Want help? Need some help? Look at that, Jonah!
A
bus!
Whoa.
Yay!
A bus!
Whoa.
Are you so excited to have a bus?
A bus.
It's a bus!
Bus, Jonah.
We got him. Back
Can
up.
you show me your bus?
That's right. That's what the bus does.
Bus.
Bus.
It's a bus.
Just
This
like
one's
that.
from. Oh. One's from us. One of these is from.
How about that green one? The one with the green bow on it.
This one?
Yes.
This one's from Sarah.
Oh, okay.
Jonah, look at this.
Jonah, you want to open another
You wanna
one?
do this one?
Yeah.
Look,
What's in there?
what's inside of there?
What is it?
Can you open it?
Here, tear this paper.
Make the noise. Wait, Eddie, come on.
You pull and I'll hold on to this part.
Hold the paper, baby.
Jonah.
Loves his bus. Jonah, look over here.
Come over here.
Look, Jonah, can you tear this one?
Come on, over here.
What is all over your face?